So another great after-school snack that they can bring with them to sports is Energy Bites. And these are only 5 ingredients, and they're super fun for the kids to make as well. So what goes into them is first 3 cups of oats. And then we're gonna add in a cup of the sun butter.
Is sun butter a good option for a peanut butter and jelly sandwich that I could send to school?
It definitely is. And I really love this brand because all it is roasted sunflower seeds, cane sugar, and salt. So next we're gonna add in raw honey. Now, the health benefits of raw honey is that it's, rather than pure honey, it's unpasteurized. So it hasn't been heated, so it still has all the antioxidants and the enzymes in it. Perfect. And then next, we're just gonna add in some ground flax seeds. So I didn't measure that one out, but you can just pour that in. Perfect. And then just add in some dark chocolate chips.
Is there such a thing as too many chocolate chips?
I don't think there's such a thing as too many chocolate chips. There are health benefits of chocolate chips. They are high in antioxidant and magnesium.
Is dark chocolate a better option than a milk chocolate?
It is, just because the added milk, there's less magnesium and less antioxidant than the dark chocolate. All right, you boys can start stirring. If you find it too dry, you can always add more honey or more sun butter, or if it's too wet, then you just add more oats in.
It does look a bit dry.
You want to add a little bit more honey?
Sure. A bit more flavor. It's probably
Pour
lots.
that in, and then you guys can probably get your hands in there too right away.
Now, how do I roll this?
So you can just roll it in the middle of your palm. So take just a small ball of it, about a spoon size. So wait a bit. Yeah, that's perfect. And then just roll it in the palm of your hand. And we're gonna put these in the fridge after too, just so that they can sit and they'll stick better.
Do they freeze well?
Yeah, these freeze great. Actually, I make quite a bit ahead of time, and then I'll just store them in the freezer. That should be good. You can put them on there.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Pretty good.
Good?
There's peanut butter. There's granola. I like it.
Can I make these to put in your snacks to take to school?
Definitely.
Definitely? Good.